how to show circle charging indicator when charger plug into your Samsung phone. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now here is a number of things. Here are a number of things that you can try. First, go to settings. So scroll down at the top, then tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on display. Next, we scroll down, and in here, make sure show charging information is turned on. So here it will show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. So make sure this is turned on. Okay, the next things that you could try is to go back into settings, then go down to lock screen, and then tap on always on display. Make sure always on display is turned on, and then go down and tap on show always, and then give that a try. Or you can tap to show. You can choose tap to show or show always, and then give that a try. See if you can display the charging information when you're plugging it into the charger, and your phone should show the circle charging indicator. And if that still does not work, what you can also do is try to restart the phone. Press on the side button and volume down key. Press on both keys, then tap on restart, then tap on restart the device. Now if the animation is still missing after you restart your phone, you want to make sure that the charger and the charging cables uses a Samsung certified charger, so that it will trigger the original charging information or the charging animations. Sometimes if the charger is not Samsung, it won't work. For some reason it will not work, so you can try to use the original Samsung equipment. Lastly, you can also check if fast charging is enabled. So go into settings by swiping down and then tap on settings. Next, we go down and tap on battery and device care. Then tap on battery. In here, we go down and we look for charging settings. So go into charging settings and make sure fast charging is turned on. At the top here, make sure show charging information is also switch on, and have them all switch on, and then try it again, see if it works. One of the solutions should work for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.